It's way too early in the morning, but we've got to get going here in about 5 minutes to head down to the start. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We had to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. And we're not going to be done potentially until, well, we got to be done by 2 a.m. tomorrow. But hopefully it's before that. How's everybody feeling?
Nervous?
Everybody get their 8 hours of sleep? I got like 8 minutes of sleep.
Yeah. Not even close.
They do have rubber sheets on the beds though, so there is that. Any sort of body fluid you want to leave, it will not soak in. It's going to be dark at the beginning, so I don't know how much video we're going to get until we get rolling. But Kevin needs to change because that's not what he's wearing. And then we're going to get rolling down to the start line. We are here at the beginning, but we got about an hour, 40 minutes, something like that before the start. I don't know if you can see me, but you can probably see that frickin' sunrise. It is frickin' gorgeous out. There's a little tower right there.
It's a good day to ride a bike.
It's always a good day to ride a bike. Oh, you can see me better now if I look into the sunrise. But we've dipped our tires in the water yesterday. All that's waiting now is for us to ride 204 miles that way and dip it into the other one. The nerves are a little high this morning. How's everybody else's nerves going?
I'm nervous.
Nervous. Let's go this way. That way we can, oh, look at that. See? Now we can see us.
Oh.
Jackie, you think you're going to get her done in 10 hours?
Not 10 hours, but I'm going to get it done.
Well, I think
I'm not quitting.
I think our goal is 12 mile an hour. 12 mile an hour is our goal. And if we'll adjust, if that seems too slow, we'll go faster. If that seems too fast, we'll go a little bit slower. But we have to maintain 10 in order to get it done.
Goal is just to reach the other side.
Justin, how are you feeling?
Better than I thought.
Justin still has an injured hip, so his goal today is 100, and then he'll reevaluate and see if he's gonna finish with us or if he's gonna call it at 100. But
peer pressure.
If you've made it 100, you might as well go the other 104. So.
You can make...
Yeah, we were going to be there early, and that's what we're talking about too. We're like, once we get there, we're basically ready to be rode over. But I like the warning.
It'll go away once they warm up.
We are officially underway. We're 3 miles into it, got 202 left, so we're almost there. The start wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. There was a bit of a potholed road, as you saw, but there wasn't as much swerving, so that's always good. Crashes at the beginning, never good. Crashes in the middle, never good. Crashes at the end, never good. Beautiful morning, little overcast. It's like 60 degrees. About a 7 mile an hour breeze right now. Hopefully it stays this way. About 10 miles in, averaging roughly about 13 and a half for our average, averaging our average. Huh, go figure. If we can keep that up, we'll be doing good. Roads are actually pretty firm. Got a pretty good downpour late yesterday, but they're soaked it up pretty well. A little bit of soft spots But all in all, not bad. And this is as wet as it's gonna be all day. Look at that beautiful wheat. Cruising right along. We're about mile 33. First checkpoint is mile 54.
Yep.
So we got about 21 miles left to go to that. Kevin is up ahead of us somewhere. He was trying to get out ahead of the back issues, see how far he could get before he started struggling with that. Justin is back there somewhere, but he had already said he was definitely going to try to make 54. Wasn't sure about the second checkpoint at 100 and something, so we kind of waited as long as we could, but we've got to keep an average pace knowing that we're going on a lot farther than that. But so far so good. Jackie, how you feeling?
I'm good. Keeping up with my nutrition so far. We'll see how my stomach feels later. We made rice cakes.
Oh, got somebody coming behind us. Woo, big old hillbilly truck.
Like rice cakes like the pros eat. They're decent.
She's not a pro, but she eats like one.
Yeah.
Sag stop number 1, 54 miles in. Next one's 104. We got some ham sandwiches, we got water, we got other stuff, and we gotta go because I gotta pee, and Jackie's yelling at me. Just left Sag stop 1. We are about an hour to the positive as far as time cutoff goes. So as long as we can maintain that and maybe even increase it a little bit, we'll be doing fine. Justin said, or they said Justin was about 2 or 3 miles behind us. They're not sure if he's gonna go on. So we may just see him on the other side of the Sag at mile 104. But so far we're doing well. It is getting a little brighter out. So far no sunnier, but also no windier. So still a great day. We have sunshine. I know Jackie said she wasn't really ready for it, but you know, I kind of like it. Sort of brightens the day, brightens the mood, makes everything a little bit better. Kevin is ahead of us somewhere. I think he's probably about 20 minutes ahead, maybe a half hour ahead of us. So he's kind of cruising, got them gears and all. Hopefully he can maintain that and he gets her done. Might be a little bit ahead of us, could finish maybe an hour, hour and a half before us if he keeps this up and we keep our pace up. But we'll see him at the end if nothing else. Well, it's confirmed. 2 years ago we did this. We did the 100 mile, we didn't do the 200 mile. And I said then that it seemed like there were a lot of people that just wouldn't talk to you. Maybe that was a fluke. No, still a lot of people out here. You pass them, you say good morning or how's it going or what's going on. Now, there are plenty that will say hi or say that, you know, how they're doing or whatever. But there's also a whole lot of them that won't even look at you, let alone say anything. Of course, I guess we are 84 miles into this 200 mile course, but still, a little nod, a grunt, something. Come on, people, do better. Mile 84, we found a gas station. It's gonna cost a couple of minutes. We had to stop for a nice ice cold Coca-Cola.
It's worth it.
It is tasty. Scared off Bambi. So we just left checkpoint 2 not too long ago. We're about an hour, hour and a half ahead of cutoff time. But the next section is 66 miles and you have to be through there by 8:20, 8:40, something like that. And it's got hills and it's got all the sand. So no time to dilly-dally. That's about 6 hours from now, maybe a little less. This is the hard section coming up. So Justin went past checkpoint 1, he made it to checkpoint 2. Not sure if he's gonna go on from there or not. That was kind of his goal, was to get to checkpoint 2 at 104 miles. So he might be done. Jackie just pulled the plug at 111. Longest ride ever, I think, on her single speed. She was doing well, and then she just wasn't feeling well. Starting to get lightheaded, starting to get sick to her stomach. That's never a good thing. So wise move was to just call it, especially with the, like I said, the most difficult section ahead of us yet. Kevin's up ahead somewhere. I don't know if I'll see him or not. I don't know, I still don't know if I'll catch him or not. We will see. But yeah, that's the current status right now. So we're gonna see what we can do. piece of shit out the way. What's up? Found Kevin. Just passed him a little bit on those stupid dirt roads. Sand roads, I should say. He's got all them gears to choose from, so I'm guessing we will see him again once the course becomes favorable for speed. But he's back there. He seemed to be in good spirits, so that's good. Sketchy shit.
Just don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it. Let's get it done. You step it up a notch. We can do it. We can get it done. 'Cause we're doers, and doers don't watch.
All right, it's the next day, as you can see, and we are done with the coast-to-coast 204 miles. Justin rode 113 or 100. I think that was his goal. Was to get to the 100-mile sag. He did that. Then he pulled out. Jackie made it to 113, and she decided she had enough fun and pulled out there. I finished just a little bit before midnight. Kevin, who is not pictured here, also finished. He came in just a little bit before 1 o'clock, so probably about an hour after I did. So the totals for the ride, 204.81 miles. Elevation was 6207 according to this. 17 hours, 50 minutes, average of 12.6. Burned almost 10,000 calories. If you've never done it, highly recommend it. Come out and do it once, do it twice, 3 times a lady. But I would suggest
100, maybe not.
Yeah.
The 200.
Oh, the 200 is a long fucking time. But anyways, my time was good enough for third single speed. Apparently that's my category, because I got third on the 100-mile single speed when we did it 2 years ago. So I might as well stop while I'm ahead. Only way to go is down from here. So I guess that's a wrap. Bye. Bye. That was only 2 of us.
Bye.
Lack of participation. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye. So our Airbnb is this old church. Oh, so many stairs after a bike ride. Yeah, you've got the whole, still kind of looks like a church in here. But yeah, pretty swank. And here is the exterior of the church. As you can see, legitimate church. Looks like it used to be a pretty nice church. Not a church anymore, but still pretty nice. If you want to rent it, it's the church. Oh, it used to be the Bethany Church. 1994. Got your main entrance. They don't use that anymore. Got your little church steeple. I don't know. I must have closed that off, but I've not seen a way to get up there.